Hi, Namaskaram. Welcome back to RE Study Abroad YouTube channel. Hello everyone, Namaskaram. Welcome back to our channel RE Study Abroad. My name is Srinidhi Ari, founder of RE Study Abroad. Let's begin the video. Thank you. If you have watched part 1 and part 2 of our videos regarding Canadian PR, congratulations. You already know that Canada PR is the main immigration pathways and how the Federal Skilled Work Program works. We covered in those parts. Please get back to those videos and you will get to know about the linking of this coming video part 3. Now comes the most important topic in the entire Canada PR process, Express Entry Program. Many people think Express Entry is a visa, which is not true. Many people think Express Entry guarantees permanent residency. It does not. In this video, I will explain exactly how Express Entry works, how candidates are ranked, and how you can improve your chances of availing or receiving an invitation to apply ITA. Let's begin. What is Express Entry? Express Entry is an online application management system used by the Government of Canada to manage applications for certain economic immigration programs. It is not an immigration program by itself. Instead, it manages applications for programs such as Federal Skilled Workers Program, Canadian Experience Class, CEC, Federal Skilled Trade Program, FST. Think of Express Entry as a digital system that ranks eligible candidates. How does Express Entry work? This process is a straightforward one. It's a step-by-step process. I will explain to you in 8 steps. Step 1. Check your eligibility. Step 2. Take an approved language test. Step 3. Obtain an educational credential assessment if required for your foreign education. Step 4. Collect all required documents or compliances. Step 5. Create your Express Entry profile. Step 6. Receive a comprehensive ranking system score, CRS Score. Step 7. Wait for an invitation to apply if your score is competitive and you are selected. Step 8. Submit your permanent residence application after receiving an ITA, invitation to apply. What is a CRS score? CRS stands for Comprehensive Ranking System. After you create an Express Entry profile, the system assigns you a CRS score. This score is used to rank eligible candidates in the Express Entry pool. Generally, candidates with stronger profiles receive higher scores. What factors affect your CRS score? Your CRS score is based on several factors, including age, education, language test results, skilled work experience, Canadian work experience, if applicable, spouse or common law partner, factors, de facto partner, if applicable, additional factors such as qualifying provincial nomination, PNP nomination. Every point matters. Even a small improvement in your language score or education can increase your CRS score. Age. Age is one of the strongest CRS factors. Applicants in the prime working age range generally receive the highest age-related points. As age increases, the points available for age gradually decreases. This does not mean older applicants cannot immigrate, but they may need stronger qualification in other areas or fields. Education. Higher educational qualifications can improve your CRS score. Examples include doctoral degree, master's degree, bachelor's degree, professional degree, and diploma certificates. If your education was completed outside Canada, you will usually need an educational credential assessment. Language. Language proficiency is one of the most important ways to increase your CRS score. Canada accepts approved language tests for immigration purpose. A stronger language score can significantly improve your ranking. Many successful applicants increase their chances by improving their language results before submitting or updating their profile. Work experience. Skilled work experience also contributes to your CRS score. Canadian work experience and foreign work experience are assessed under different CRS rules. Relevant experiences supported by proper documentation is important. Spouse factors. If you are applying with a spouse or common law partner, which means de facto partner, certain factors related to your spouse, such as education or language test results, may influence our overall CRS calculation. For express entry, whether to apply with or without a spouse depends on your individual circumstances and should be evaluated carefully. Additional CRS points where we can achieve are secure. Some applicants may qualify for additional CRS points. Examples include a qualifying Provincial Nominee Program (PNP) nomination, certain qualifying Canadian education, other additional factors recognized under current immigration rules. These additional points can make a significant difference for eligible candidates. What is an invitation to apply ITA means? Once candidates are ranked in the express entry pool, the Government of Canada conducts invitation rounds. If your profile is selected in a draw and you meet the applicable requirements, you may receive an invitation to apply. Receiving an ITA is an important milestone because it allows you to submit a complete permanent residence application. However, receiving an ITA is not the same as receiving permanent residence. These both are different. Your application will still be reviewed before a final decision is made. Application will be reviewed before the final decision made by the Canadian government. Can you improve your CRS score? Yes, of course. Many applicants improve their CRS score before receiving an invitation to apply. Common ways includes improving language test score, means general training, a CPLIP scores, IELTS general training, completing a higher education qualification, whether pursue in Canada or outside Canada, and securing ECA, gaining additional skilled work experience, exploring eligibility for a provincial nominee program, updating your express entry profile when your circumstances changes. Always ensure that any updates are accurate and supported by documentation. Common myths about express entry. The highest score always gets PR immediately, not necessarily. Invitation rounds depends on the type of draw, eligibility, and other factors set by the Government of Canada. I need a Canada job offer. Myth 2, I need a Canadian job offer. For that, not every successful applicant has a qualifying Canadian job offer. No one has that, but they secure the Canadian PR. How? It depends on the pathway and the applicant's profile and points obtained by him or her. Myth 3. Consultants can guarantee an ITA? No, no agent or no consultant can guarantee that. If someone is guaranteeing that, if any false information, you are in a false trap. Okay, please be careful while choosing the consultants. Only the government of Canada decides who receives an invitation to apply. No consultant can guarantee an invitation of permanent residency. Conclusion. Today we covered what express entry is, how express entry works, what the CRS score is, the factors that influence your CRS score, what an invitation to apply means, practical ways to strengthen your profile. In coming, we are going to discuss that in the same video, that we will continue with the next stage of the journey. Documents required after receiving an ITA, medical examination, police clearance certificate, biometrics, proof of funds, application processing, confirmation of permanent residence, COPR, landing in Canada, PR card, maintaining PR status, common reasons for refusal, final success tips. So, in this, we are going to discuss these points now. Receiving, accept your invitation to apply. Step 1. Receiving an ITA means your profile has been selected in express entry invitation round. However, receiving an ITA does not automatically mean you have become a permanent resident. You now need to submit a complete PR application with all required documents. Prepare your documents. Step 2. Preparing our documents. Typical documents may include, please note it down, all these kind of documents required while watching the video. Thank you. Valid passport, educational credential assessment, educational certificates or compliances, IELTS general training exam results, COD or CELPIP results, or another accepted language test if applicable, like French language test, work experience letters, police clearance certificate PCC, medical examination report through an approved panel physician when required, marriage certificates if applicable, if you are married, birth certificates for dependent children if applicable, if you have children, digital photographs, proof of funds if required under your program. Always ensure documents are accurate, complete and truthful. Step 3 is about medical examination. Most applicants must complete an immigration medical examination with a panel physician approved by the government of Canada in your own countries. The doctor sends the results directly to the immigration authorities or provides instructions on how they are submitted. Do not undergo an immigration medical examination with a doctor who is not authorized for this purpose by Canadian government. Step 4. Police Clearance Certificate PCC. A police clearance certificate helps demonstrate whether an applicant has a criminal record. Applicants may need PCCs from countries where they have lived for the required period under the immigration rules. Always follow the official country-specific instructions provided. Step 5. Biometrics. Most applicants are required to provide biometrics. Biometrics are nothing but they generally include fingerprints, photographs. These are collected at an authorized visa application center VAC after receiving the appropriate instructions. Step 6. Proof of funds. Some immigration programs require applicants to demonstrate that they have sufficient settlement funds in their account. These funds should generally is to be available to the applicant, readily accessible, supported by acceptable financial documentation. The required amount depends on the immigration program and family size, and it can change over time. Step 7. Application review. After submitting your application, immigration officers review it. Case officers will review it. They may verify identity, education, work experience, language test results, medical results, security and background information, any other documents required by the government and to the program. Documents required by the program. If additional information is needed, you may receive a request to provide it through mails. Step 8. Final decision. If your application is approved, you will receive the appropriate approval documents such as a confirmation of permanent residence (COPR), where applicable, along with instructions for your next steps. Read all instructions carefully before making travel arrangements. Step 9. Landing in Canada. When you arrive in Canada, a border service officer will verify your documents and complete the landing process. After this process, you become a permanent resident, provided all legal requirements have been met. Step 10. PR card, permanent resident card. After becoming a permanent resident, your PR card is generally issued and sent according to the government's procedures. The PR card is commonly used as proof of your PR status for travel purposes. Common reasons for refusal of PR. Applications can be refused by many reasons, including incomplete documentation, incorrect or inconsistent information, failure to meet eligibility requirements, misrepresentation, certain medical or criminal inadmissibility issues, failure to respond to official requests within deadlines. So, disclosing truthful and accurate information is essential all the time. Do not enclose anything. If it is good or bad, please disclose it. How to improve your chances of success? Read official instructions carefully. Keep your document organized. Ensure your work experience letters accurately describe your duties. As discussed in the previous videos, submit only genuine documents. Respond promptly to any requests from immigration authorities. Keep copies of everything you submit. Final message for the students. Canada PR is a structured immigrant process. It's my final message for my clients. Canada PR is a structured immigration process, not a lottery or a shortcut. Success depends on meeting the eligibility requirements, preparing complete and accurate documents, following the official process, remaining truthful throughout your application process. Remember, no consultant can guarantee or warranty permanent residence. Be careful. The final decision always rests with the government of Canada. If this masterclass has helped you understand the Canada PR process, please like this video, share it with friends and family, subscribe to RE Study Abroad. Please share with your friends and family who are in need of starting the Canadian PR process. Thank you and lodging the PR application. And Turn on notifications for future videos on Canada, Australia, the UK, the USA, and other study and immigration topics. And I'm going to explain one more in the same video. Let's begin. In the final part, we will discuss the most common mistakes applicants makes. In this video itself, we are going to discuss about the final part, about the common mistakes made by all the students or applicants or clients. Answer frequently asked questions and share practical tips that can improve your chances of a successful application. Let's begin. Top 10 mistakes to avoid. Mistake 1. Providing incorrect information. Always provide truthful and accurate information. Even small inconsistencies can delay your application or lead to refusal. Never submit false documents or incorrect employment details. Mistake 2. Choosing the wrong occupation. Your work experience should match the occupation you claim under Canada's occupation classification system. Read the job duties carefully and make sure your experience genuinely aligns with them. Mistake 3. Weak language scores. Language test results play an important role. If your score is lower than expected, consider improving your English or French proficiency and retaking the test before creating or updating your profile. Mistake 4. Incomplete documents. Missing documents can delay processing or make your application incomplete. Double check every document before submission. Mistake 5. Waiting too long. Language test results, educational credential assessment, passports, and other documents have validity periods. Plan ahead and avoid unnecessary delays. Mistake 6. Ignoring official updates. Immigration policies and program requirements can change. Always rely on the latest information published by the Government of Canada. All these factors will depend on Canadian government publishments in the news and their portal. Mistake 7. Depending only on social media. YouTube videos, Facebook posts, and WhatsApp messages can be helpful for general awareness, but they should not replace official guidance. Verify important information through official government sources only. Mistake 8. I'm telling before going to mistake 8, please make a research. Again and again, I'm begging you and urging you that please make a research before starting a process or paying to someone or some consultancies. Please try to make a note and write the important points, whether you have understood or not. Just consultants, if you are in the hands of genuine consultants, no need to worry about anything. If you are into the false people, the hands of other. I hope you can understand that. I don't want to use those words now. So kindly understand that means do not trust anyone. Trust yourself and try to make a research, make a note of each and every point and learn and learn and learn and make use of technology nowadays, and you will be in the right place and you can be in a successful place and you can receive and maximize the chances of getting PR for Canada. Mistake A. Believing guaranteed PR claims. No consultant, agency, or individual can guarantee permanent residence. Only the Government of Canada makes immigration decisions. Mistake 9. Not keeping copies. Save copies of every document, application form, payment receipt, and communication for your records. Mistake 10. Not asking questions. If you do not understand a requirement, seek clarification before submitting your application. It's better to ask questions than to make avoidable mistakes. Frequently asked questions. Can I apply without a job offer? Some applicants may qualify without a Canadian job offer, depending on the immigration program and their overall profile. Is IELTS compulsory? Applicants must meet the language requirements of their chosen immigration pathway using an approved language test where required. Can my spouse come with me? Many immigration pathways allows eligible spouses or common law partners and dependent children to be included in the application, subject to program requirements. Can my children study in Canada? Dependent children included in a successful PR application may generally study in Canada after becoming permanent residents, subject to provincial education rules. Is there an age limit? There is no single maximum age that applies to every immigration pathway, but age can affect eligibility and CRS points. How long does the process take? Processing time varies based on the immigration program, application volume, and individual circumstances. Always check the latest official processing times before planning your move. Can I apply if I have previously been refused a visa? A previous visa refusal does not automatically prevent you from applying for permanent residence. However, you must answer all application questions honestly and meet the eligibility requirements. Success tips. I'm going to explain and give you the guidance for success. Please note it down. If you are serious about immigrating to Canada, start preparing early, improve your language score, keep your employment records organized, genuine, maintain valid travel documents, stay informed about official immigration updates, be patient and follow the process carefully. Remember, immigration is a journey that requires planning and preparation. Okay, it takes some time. You have to give your day, energy and time and prepare, read and learn how to say. Proper planning is necessary to secure your Canadian PR. It won't come in overnight. You have to give some time and your preparation matters. Final message. Canada offers opportunities for many skilled professionals, but every application is assessed on its own merits. There is no shortcut and no guaranteed approval. Do not trust those kind of consultants who misleads you. The best approach is to prepare carefully, submit accurate information, and follow the official requirements at every stage. I hope this Canada PR masterclass has helped you understand the overall process and given you the confidence to begin your research. If you found this series useful, please like this video, share it with your friends and family, subscribe to our YouTube channel RE Study Abroad, ARI Study Abroad. My name is Srinidhi RE, founder of RE Study Abroad. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss future videos on Canada, Australia, the UK, the USA, and other study abroad and immigration topics. Thank you for watching our video. I am Srinidhi from RE Study Abroad. See you in the next informative videos, friends and clients. Take care and all the best for your future. I am giving my number. Please WhatsApp us for starting the process of Canadian PR. 88 976 33354. Jai Hind. Thank you.